roughly 10% of traders end up being successful. That's 90% that fail. So, what separates the 10% from the 90%? They have a process for everything. They don't just randomly look at a chart and make money. Some of them will be so strict that having a bad night's sleep will mean they do not take any trades that day. Not many people even know about trading psychology until they are deep in their career and ready to give up. There are not a lot of jobs out there that can compare to being a trader. If you have a bad day, week, even month on the charts, you can lose money. A lot of money if you do not have the correct process in place. How are you mentally going to be able to stick to your plan when you have taken a few losses and know that you are not bringing in enough money that month to pay your bills? Chances are you will not stick to that plan. You'll be closing trades early just to try to secure some profits. You'll be taking unnecessary risks, which very rarely work out in the long run. So, how can having a trading psychology process help you? It can add to your edge on the market. Yes, having a great strategy helps, but as mentioned earlier, what's going to happen when you take multiple losses in a row? Knowing your numbers, having the tools to help you deal with it is what helps you make it to the next stage. I've been trading for a few years now, blowing multiple accounts, personal and funded challenges. I took a hard look at myself and realized that I was strategy hopping and not giving my trades an actual chance. As soon as I stuck to my rules and followed the process, I passed my first funded challenge. I started to grow my account and got to within $6 of becoming a six-figure trader, and then slowly old habits started creeping back in. I stopped trading my plan and started chasing targets. I knew what my problem was, but I didn't have a process in place to deal with it and stop it from happening, so I got further and further away from my target. I decided to sort it out properly this time, and I invested in a mentor for myself. At first, my thoughts were along the line of, I don't need this, I need another, better strategy. Wrong. That is just old habits kicking in again. I have two strategies that I trade. One is a low risk, 60 to 70% win rate. Not many trades come in it though. The other has a 30 to 50% win rate, but has high reward and more frequency in trades. So, clearly, I was the problem. I now have a daily process in place, and doing so has saved me from blowing another account. There is also a bonus to this. It has helped in my personal life. I am now much calmer and able to deal with things that life throws at us. To sum things up, you have rules, a process in place for your trades. So, why not for your psychology? If you would like to learn more about these processes and how we can implement them into your routine to help you become a more successful and profitable trader, then please send me a message. I'll leave my details below.